Okay, alright guys, so I would like to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Nature Graphs. So this is our first video, and what we'll be doing on this video is show you around the app called Pixellab. The name of the app is Pixellab, and I want to show you around the tools and all the necessary things that you need to know right there. So this first interface right here is showing the template, like the template that came with the app itself. So the templates are, some of the templates are, you have this one default, this one, this one, this one. You can only see this one on Pixellab Premium. I'm using Pixellab Premium. You can see this one on Play Store or App Store. You can only see it online. You can download it, and in case you need it, you can contact me. I'll send it to you via WhatsApp. I'll drop my WhatsApp on the description of the video. So, but all these ones are not important. Let's go to the text. This A. Let me create a new page. Okay, so come in. Okay, I like black. Alright, so this A icon down here is texts. Is for text. Everything you need to do about text, maybe fonts, maybe styles, 3D text, and all of that is embedded in this part. In which this one at the middle is for shapes, if you want to import images, if you want to draw with brush, and if you want to use the bezier, arrows, and stickers. If you want to do stickers, if you want to add stickers to your design. And this other one is for background. If you want to transform the background, you want to give your work a transparent background. Like this one is basically used for maybe logo design and all, and this one is for crop, in case you import a background and you want to crop it. Then image size, you can, for example, let's say you want to design a banner, and the banner, you need a size for the banner. What you can do is just that you go online. Here the sizes here are in pixel. You know, we have pixel dimensions. We have pixel, we have meter, we have millimeter, we have kilometer, we have centimeter, and we have inches, we have feet. So but sizes here are in pixel, and the only thing you can just do is you go online. Let's say you want to design a banner of 8 feet by 4 feet landscape. So what you go online, you type pixel feet to pixel. It will take you to a website where you can convert feet to pixel. You just type 8 feet, it will convert it to pixel. Then you will input it on the maybe width or the height. Then you press OK. I don't know if you get that. So that's just that about. And if you want to import your images as background from gallery, you can go right here. Then you select any image of your choice. Let's say you select this one as background. Then you can give it any size of your choice. But I'll go for this cube. Then you can do it whatever you like with it. You can lock it. Then if in case you want to import a circle, but I don't want to do that, you just mark it. And here the what's called this crop, you can edit the background, you can mirror it, you can do the same thing here. So, and you can rotate it. So that's all. Okay, so and in case you want to do anything now on this background, you can come to text. Let's say you want to do welcome to Pixellab. You just type welcome to Pixellab. Just type welcome. Just welcome to So welcome to Pixellab, and let's press OK. Press OK. I want to increase the size. Okay, let's now say I want the welcome to be at top, the tool to be at the middle, then lab to be down. So you're going to just do a simple thing. Come here, like this. But I want this tool to be at the middle. Just go right here. This align. Just align the middle. If I want it to be at the end, you press this one, middle, then right. So, but I want it to be at the middle. So, in case I want a space in between the line. Let's say from on that welcome, in between the W and E, I want to increase the space. I'll just come here. I'll do something like this. Get it, but it's just it. But I don't want that. I'm just showing you. And if I want a spacing in between text, you can increase it like this. If you want to add stroke, you can change the color and you can increase it. So those are some of the. Then you can add shadows. Inner shadow will be like it will be on the text. This shadow will be at the background of the text. So emboss will give this emboss tool will give your text some kind of professional look. It will give you some kind of realistic look. So that should not be used on everything that you are doing, but there are some specific, maybe front page work, and you want that theme, the major element on the design you're doing, you want it to be different, you want it to stand out. You can add this emboss to give it some kind of professional look. Then perspective, 3D rotation, you can use it to rotate your text in a 3D manner. Then 3D text, this 3D text will give your work some 3D. Don't worry, by the time we get to some other videos on how to create some maybe flyers, logos, and some other stuffs, we'll be touching some of these works, and we'll know some of these tools rather, and we're going to know what they're used for. So I don't want to take our time on this video. This last tool down here is we can use it to add some effects to our background. To add some effect to our background. This is what they use for. That one is for stripes. Then you can increase or decrease the brightness of your background. Something like this. Then contrasts and hue. This hue, in case you want to change some colors, transformation in the background, you can make use of this hue. And saturation, in case you want to enhance the brightness of the color, you can make use of that. And noise, just want to increase, you can. But even though I don't make use of this side, but I don't know, maybe your knowledge might get to a point whereby you feel like you need something like this, so it's not a problem. Alright, so on the text, these all you have, and if in case you want to change the font, you can come to font here. You can come to font and just browse the fonts, different fonts. These are the default fonts, are the fonts that came with the app, the premium version of the Pixellab. These are the fonts that came with it, but I have my own. There's a way you can download fonts online and import it through these two icons right here at the top, close to the search space. You can come there, click on it, go to your file manager and import the fonts that you download. You can import different. You can import it one by one, and you can import it in group. So I have my own fonts. I have like over 3,000 pack of fonts that I import on this. As you can see, over 3,000 fonts. In case you need the fonts, you can message me on WhatsApp. You can chat me up on WhatsApp, and I can get it across to you. But it's not supposed to be free, but I'm doing it. I'm giving you for free. In case you need it, you can come to my DM. I'll send it to you on WhatsApp. And another thing is, let me just select the fonts. Just the recent fonts that I've used. Let me just select one. Okay. Argentum sounds okay. Something like this. So you can do anything. You can decrease the opacity. One thing about graphics design is that you don't really need to have a software or any app that have multiple tools before you can achieve what you need to achieve. But with those little things, you can just achieve many things. And this Pixellab so far, I can say that I've used it to make money. I'm telling you, I've used it to make money, even more than the amount I bought the phone I'm using to do it. I don't spend money on my subscription. Sometimes I can just, maybe I'm broke and one work can just come out, and I'll just do the design within minutes, and I'll get the work done and deliver professionally, and my clients will give me a thumbs up, and I'll collect my money. So just watch out for our next video, where we'll be teaching you how to add watermark, because how to add watermark to your products. Some people sell products and they just post their products online like that. If you're posting your products without having your own customized watermark on it, it's like opening door for other people that are doing that's your same business to use it for their own. What watermarks does is that it creates a kind of encryption, like this is mine, nobody have the right to use it. So in case anybody use it without your permission, you have right to sue the person. You have right to question the person that why did you use my work? Why did you use my product? So in case you're a makeup artist and you take pictures regularly of your work, of your clients, you take the picture and post online directly, it does not make sense. You need to add some kind of watermark to it. Maybe your logo, just place it on it to give it some kind of personalized feeling that this is my work. So anybody that posts the work, they will see your logo on it, they will see your watermark on it. So on the next video, what we'll be doing is that we'll be teaching you how you can add watermarks to your products. Just stay tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and once you subscribe, just click on the bell. Just click on the bell in order to get notification whenever I'm dropping another video, so that we can embark on this journey of learning together. There are so many things I'm ready to share about this app called Pixellab. Till next time we meet, stay jiggy, and I'll meet you next time. Thank you.